all aboard the tech news, games, and deals caboose, and giveaway at the end of the video. Tech news. Samsung S9 sets new DxO mark record, scoring 99 points, one above Google's Pixel 2. Notable camera features include 12-megapixel main camera, plus dual aperture f1.5 or f2.4, dual OIS 4K 60 FPS and 720p 960 FPS. S9 in individual scores are 104 for photo and 91 for video, where Pixel 2 still leads at 96 for best video. Twitter CEO tweets seeking solution for harassment, abuse, and trolls. Currently, investigation of the site's measured health is underway. Public competition is open to idea proposals to encourage civil conversations. Energizer's early prototype flaunts 16,000 milliamp smartphone battery. No need to carry extra battery pack, as it can charge other devices with USB-C. Games. Where the Water Tastes Like Wine is a narrative, story-seeking RPG. Travel the U.S., meeting unique characters with original stories to tell. Use these stories as an in-game currency and watch them grow as they are retold, with the goal of unlocking each character you meet's true self. 15% off for $17. Comedy Night challenges you to perform in front of a live audience of other players. Try out stand-up, singing rooms, and rap battle sessions, or be part of the crowd. 30% off for $3.50. Steam has DC discounts on over 20 Batman games, from Injustice 2 to Batman Arkham VR and Lego Batman. Plus Square Enix has sales from Life is Strange to Just Cause 3 or Final Fantasy and over 95 other games. Ion Maiden's early access launches a mini preview campaign. Following will come a full single-player campaign as a free update, 10% off for $18. Insidia free-to-play exits early access. Free skins can be obtained, plus regular tournaments will start on Faceit. Future Champions map, ranked seasons, and more are already planned. Xbox Games with Gold releases free games. Trials of the Blood Dragon and Brave the video game, March 1st. PlayStation Plus free games for March include Bloodborne, Ratchet & Clank, and a few others. Twitch Prime gets Fortnite freebies, 2 new skins, Slipstream Glider, and Twitch emotes. Kirby Star Allies has demo available for Switch. You will need to create a European account. 4 players can use special moves, combine forces, and create unique abilities. Deals. Destiny 2 is 59% off for $20 at Amazon, and Assassin's Creed Origins is also half price for $30. Dell 15.6-inch laptop with GTX 1050 Ti 4GB, 8GB RAM, and 256GB SSD with extra $50 off, promo code for $650. PlayStation VR discounts end soon on March 3rd. $200 PSVR Gran Turismo combo is still available at $200, along with controller and Skyrim VR bundle for $350. Xbox One S deals also end soon. Bundles are discounted to $250, but Dell adds on an extra $50 gift card to the already lowest price. Samsung has the S8 Verizon version for under $500. Giveaway. TechCaboose will start its first monthly choice giveaway. One winner will get to choose a prize of either Scorpion K2 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard or HyperX Cloud Drone gaming headset or white and orange Aula gaming headset. Limit to 1 entry per day. Check Gleam link for full details. Links and news sources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.